Okay, good morning class. So today I'm going to be presenting a topic on drip or trickle irrigation. My name is Paul Kiplimo Denoville. So we'll begin by the objectives of this lesson. So by the end of this lesson, the learners should be able to define drip irrigation, illustrate drip system layout, state advantages and disadvantages of trickle irrigation. Introduction. Drip irrigation involves dripping water into the soil at very low rates, that is between 2 to 20 liters per hour, from a system of small diameter plastic pipes fitted with outlets called emitters or drippers. With drip irrigation, water application are more frequent, usually every 1 to 3 days. This provides a favorable high moisture level in the soil in which plants can flourish. So that one represents a drip irrigation system from the well through to the storage tank. Then from the storage tank we have filters to remove impurities, then various valves that can be opened to allow water to pass through. Then we have the main valve and also the air valve, and then the main line which water will go through before it is distributed by the sub-main line, which have pipes that cross or are lateral to it. Then we have the plants on every drippers. So layout and components of drip irrigation system. We have the first one is pump station. Takes water from the water source and delivers to the pipe system with the right pressure. 2. Control heads. Contains valves that help in controlling the discharge and pressure in the entire system. It has a filter system and may have a fertilizer tank too. Main line and sublines. They are usually made of PVC, polyvinyl chloride or polyethylene hose. They can be laid outside or buried below the ground. 4. Laterals. The average diameter of these lateral pipes are 12 millimeters to 16 millimeters. Emitters or drippers are installed on lateral lines and they control the speed of discharge of water. So advantages of drip irrigation: we have considerable saving of water because water is applied only to the roots zones. Method reduces salt concentration in the root zone when irrigated with poor quality groundwater. Permit application of soluble fertilizers. Can achieve 90% application efficiency. Difficult to achieve with sprinklers or surface irrigation. Operates on much lower line pressure compared to sprinkler system. That means it saves energy. Disadvantages: high initial costs. This one is you look at the cost of installing the whole system. Then poor water distribution efficiency when a low pressure system is installed on steep slopes or uneven land. So in short, we can say that drip irrigation is where every drop counts. In summary of this, trickle irrigation is a subsurface irrigation where water is supplied by means of plastic pipes and materials connected to drippers as emitters. This method minimizes such conventional losses as deep perforation, runoff, and soil water evaporation. The system applies water slowly to keep the soil moisture within the desired range for plant growth. So that is the end of our lesson today, and we'll meet next time. Thank you for listening to me.